and thank you so much for taking a couple minutes out of your day to hang out with me. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Missy and I am a stay-at-home mom and blogger over at thehomemade.life.com. And today I want to give you maybe 10 to 12 ways you can start using lemon essential oil and incorporate this into your everyday life because it is amazing. So here we go. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe below for more oily information coming at you. Now, did you know how many lemons are in this bottle, cold pressed from the rind? 75. That's crazy. So right there you can see that it's pretty potent and packed with lots of goodness. So one of the reasons why you might want to diffuse this, put it in your water and in the back of your neck or your feet is because it is a powerhouse of antioxidants. Antioxidants are phenomenal for our bodies because what they do is they help fight the free radicals. And we all need that kind of support because we live in a very toxic world and we can't always control all the toxic air that we breathe, the water, the foods. We are bound to come in contact with toxins, and so this helps us fight off those free radicals in our body and helps our immune systems thrive by doing so. Okay, what else can we use lemon for? Mamas, perk those ears up. If you have crayons, permanent markers, or stickers on anything, you can get it off very easily and effortlessly with lemon. I had my little guy color me a beautiful little picture on my fridge, and just a couple drops on the end of a paper towel got off all the crayon very effortlessly on my fridge. So it's a great adhesive remover, permanent marker, crayons, they'll be gone. Alrighty, summer and spring trio. If you're feeling like you need some support in this area because it's springtime and you're outdoors more and you're just suffering from all of the outdoor goodness that we love to take in but our bodies don't always deal the best with, you can use lemon, lavender, and peppermint all together. You can take them internally. Now this is Young Living essential oil specifically. You can take them internally in a vegetable capsule, or you can put them in a 10 milliliter roller bottle. I like to do 30 drops of each and then fill it to the top with the carrier oil. And you can rub this on your kids' feet, back of their neck, their wrists, and it's really gonna help them just feel so much better without all the harmful side effects that so many of the over-counter drugs come with. So it's just a really good way for your kids to have the support they need and for us mamas to have peace of mind knowing that none of their internal organs could possibly get damaged. So lots of mamas use those 3 oils for that, and that's just how you can pair lemon with the other 2. Alrighty, so essential oils are happy oils, so if you need to uplift the mood in any way, you can diffuse them, wear them on your wrists, the back of your neck, and it's just going to boost your mood. They're considered to be happy oils. Alrighty, so toner. If you're looking to lighten and brighten your skin, baking soda, honey, and lemon together makes a really nice peel and toner. You can also diffuse lemon with peppermint in the morning, in the afternoon, anytime you really need to just be perked up and feel much more focused. A lot of mamas will diffuse lemon and peppermint in the morning before school as their kids are doing homework. So another little way you can use lemon. It's also phenomenal to keep your fruits fresh longer. So you can put your fruits in water and put a couple drops of lemon in the oil, let them soak for a bit, and it's gonna help your fruit stay fresher longer. It's also a wonderful oil for self-confidence. It is a photosensitive oil, so if you're going to apply it to your skin, be sure not to go out directly in the sunlight for about 24 hours because it can make your skin more sensitive, as well as turn it color because it is a photosensitive oil like all of your citrus oils. So that's always great to keep in mind. You can do a drop on your hands, add a drop on your hands and rub them together as a hand sanitizer. It's wonderful for immune support due to all the antioxidants and how it goes in and cleanses the body. It's a lymphatic system cleanser. So the cleaner our bodies are, the more they thrive and the greater our immune system is. Generally, the more toxins we have in our body and the more toxic we are, the weaker our immune system is. So it's a great oil just to support your immune system and help kind of aid your body in constantly detoxing because that's really, really important to thrive. Lastly, and this one might be shocking, but a teeth brightener. Now, a lot of us have been told, oh, don't, lemon on your teeth eats your enamel. And This is a little bit different because it's the rind. It's the rind that's actually been cold pressed and put in this bottle, and so it actually, excuse me, it doesn't harm your teeth, but it will actually brighten your teeth. So you can use 1 drop of a lemon essential oil as well as a baking soda and coconut oil and scrub, 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 and you will see your teeth get lighter and brighter and will have a beautiful smile. And lastly, it's wonderful to add to any kind of home cleaner. So maybe a little bit of vinegar and baking soda and lemon. You can go online and look at some DIY recipes and add a few drops of that, and it's wonderful just to refreshen and clean the room. So I hope you've enjoyed learning some different ways that you can use a lemon essential oil and incorporate it into your daily life. If you have a different way that you use lemon essential oil, I'd love to hear in the comments below how you use it. That would be awesome. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Alrighty, see you later, friends.